First, we start with a turkey leg. You have to take all the, the spines out. You gotta have the garlic, the brown sugar, all your different spices. You gotta spice that thing up. You know what I mean? And then, you gotta have that orange pepper with the funnel cake mix. So then you flip that bad boy over, little egg wash, put that on, flip it again, put it back in the flour. Then we let that thing sizzle, get hot and fresh, make it that golden brown. That's what you want. Then we got the funnel cake mix that's gonna make, the waffles. That's what that garlic butter. Then look, we use the funnel cake pour, put it into the waffle maker. Let that ride for about 10, a few minutes. Man, that's how it come out golden, smelling good. Hey, look, we put that first turkey leg on there. Then we pull out that turkey wing, and voila, there it is right there. And then we top it off with that maple syrup, orange, citrus, orange pepper glaze. That's right. We mix that thing up, and that's how it go. That's how it's done at Funohcakes.